Hi guys, I'm Nadja, your design journey art class expert for watercoloring. These watercoloring tutorials are just perfect for beginners, and believe me, after watching these tutorials you'll draw watercoloring illustrations with confidence. I've been creative all my life, but with watercolors I fell in love instantly. The one thing which inspires me most is nature. Every day I take a lot of pictures and try to keep everything inside of my sketchbooks. And you can find a lot of my artwork and also inspiration at my Instagram account. You may also like watercolor. Of course, I want to share everything I've learned with you. We'll go over the watercolor supplies, we'll have a look at different watercoloring techniques, we will talk about watercolor mediums, such as watercoloring paints, brush pens and watercoloring pencils. I will show you all of this, and after all the theory there comes the fun part. Together we will create 5 floral pieces. And now I want to be part of your design journey, so let's start!